The Insider Wine Club is a online wine club that I have created as a foil to what's been going on in the wine trade for the last sort of 2 or 3 years. Coming out of lockdown, we've seen nothing but price increases. We've seen duty rises, Brexit costs. We've seen a lot of really boring things that have driven up the cost of wine. Good wines become expensive, great wines become unobtainable. And too often I'm seeing people drinking mediocre bottles of wine, not really being hugely impressed, but yet still paying a premium for it. So the Insider Club is my reaction to that. It's a club where instead of me charging margin on each bottle of wine, making it expensive, we have our members pay a single monthly fee of £15, and then you pretty much get wine at cost price, allowing you to drink better wine for less whenever you want to have a drink. Now, we're definitely not about going up against the local independent merchants. Wine merchants are the lifeblood of the wine trade. These are the people who have knowledge, expertise, and brilliant ranges. We're giving people an option when it comes to buying their monthly wine case. If people want to have fun and engage with great wine, that's what we're looking to do. We still want people to use local merchants, absolutely. I know I do because I have 2 of them, and I really believe in the high street. What we're doing is giving people the option when they go and buy their monthly case online of something different, to buy better wine for less and drink better every time.